channel. Oh, sorry, I just put this up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a nice thick slime that like you can stretch and it will pop easily. And sorry guys, I'm kind of coming down with something. Yeah, I'm kind of losing my voice-ish, so yeah, let's get started. The thing you'll need is a container or a bowl. You want to make sure it's all clean. So, next you want a stir stick, some Elmer's glue, or any glue, shaving cream. You don't have to add shaving cream because I think it's nice. Contact solution and baking soda. So yeah, let's get started. Open your glue. I'm doing it right now. You want to pour your glue in. That's about how much I want. Okay, perfect. So I don't think I'm going to add any color because this is just going to be a white milk slime. Okay. The next you'll need is some shaving cream. That's good. Now you want to mix it with your glue. Okay, next thing you'll need is some baking soda. And you probably want like a pinch of baking soda. Let me grab a pinch. Oh, yeah, pinch of baking soda. Okay, and then you want to start mixing. And the shaving cream just makes it more thick. So, and then you want to start adding your contact solution or multi-purpose solution. So, yeah. Oh. Comment down below if you make slime and your mixing tool always falls in. It happens a lot to me. So yeah. Keep adding contact solution little by little. I don't follow instructions because I think they say like add a lot more than you actually need, and then your slime does not turn out good. Or you add too much baking soda. But yeah. And if you want to see someone doing a big slime, definitely go check out my cousin Ragan's run. Link in the description down below. So yeah, guys, go check out her channel because she's amazing and she is like my best friend / cousin. Oh my gosh, guys. And then what I do is I put it onto the counter. And I start kind of like mixing. And I put some on my hand. I rub it. And then it doesn't stick to your hand as much. It might stick just a little, but not too much. And what I'm going to do for the test is put this through an avocado cutter. So, think that's good. Okay, on to the test. And just find like a utensil, like you can probably use like a drying rack if you have a big slime. But yeah. This one's really nice, thick, fluffy slime.